Chapter 5. Understanding input. What is input? Input is any data and instruction entered into the memory of a computer. Instruction can be entered into the computer in the form of program, command, and user response. A program is a series of repetitive instructions that tells a computer what tasks to perform and how to perform them. And programs respond to command that a user issue. A user response is an instruction user issue by replying to a question displayed by a program. What are input devices? An input device is any hardware component that allows user to enter data and instruction into computer. The keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that contains key user press to enter data and instruction into a computer. Most desktop computer keyboard have between 101 and 105K, a numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, function key, control keys, alt keys, and arrow keys, window keys, application keys, and trigger keys. The insertion, the insertion point, also known as the cursor, is a symbol on the screen that indicates where the next character you type will appear. The keyboard. Keyboard is a wide keyboard, USB port, wireless keyboard, Bluetooth, IRDA. Pointing device. A pointing device is an input device that allows a user to control a pointer on the screen. A pointer is a small symbol on the screen whose location and shape change as a user moves pointing device. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that fits under the palm of your hand comfortably. Mouse will be used pointing device on desktop computer. A mouse can be wired or wireless. Other pointing device. Touch screen and touch sensitive pad. A touch screen is a touch sensitive display device. Microsoft Surface. Touch sensitive pad. Next, pen input. With pen input, you touch a stylus or digital pen on a flat surface to write, draw, or make selection. Other input for smartphone. Game controllers. Video games and computer games use a game controller as the input device that directs movement and action of on-screen objects. Gamepads, joystick and wheels, like guns, dance pad, motion sensing controllers. Digital camera. A digital camera is a mobile device that allows users to take pictures and store them digitally. Studio camera, file camera, point and shoot camera. Two-factor affect the quality of digital camera photo. 1. Resolution. Resolution is the number of horizontal and vertical pixels in a display device. A pixel is the smallest element in an electronic display. 2. Number of bits stored in each pixel. Each pixel consists of one or more bits of data. The more bits used to represent a pixel, the more color and shade of gray that can be represented. Voice input. Voice input is the process of entering input by speaking into a microphone. Voice recognition is the computer's capability of distinguishing spoken words. Audio input. Audio input is the process of entering any sound into computer. Example, speech, music, and sound effects. Video input. Video input is the process of capturing full motion image and storing them on a computer storage medium. Record video on a digital video camera or use a video capture card to convert analog signal to digital. Connect the camera to a port on the system unit and transfer video and image. Video editing on your computer. Video input. A webcam is a type of digital video camera that enables a user to capture video and still image, send email message with video attachment, add live image to instant message, broadcast live image over the internet, and make video telephone cellular. Video conference. A video conference is a meeting between two or more geographically separated people. Scanner and reading device. Flatbed, pen or handbed, seatbed, and drum. Optical character recognition or OCR involves reading character from ordinary documents. A Turner document is a document you return to the company that created and sent it. Biometric input. Biometrics authenticates a person's identity by verifying a personal characteristic. Fingerprint reader, face recognition system, hand geometry system, voice verification system, signature verification system, iris recognition system, and retinal scanner. Terminals. A terminal is a computer that allows users to send data to end or receive information from a host computer. Putting it all together. Input device for C-Kelly user. Several input devices are available to assist C-Kelly user. Keyboard with loud K, on-screen keyboard, various pointing device, head-mounted pointer, gesture recognition, computerized implant device. Keyboard with loud K. In summary, various techniques of entering input, several commonly used input device, keyboard, mouse, and other pointing device, touchscreen, pen input, other input for smartphone, game controllers, digital camera, voice input, video input, scanner and reading device, biometric input, and terminals. Input device for physically challenged user. Thank you.